This is video number 1 out of 3 videos for 9.4 Day 1 Notes. And in this video, we're looking at squaring a binomial. So we're going to have a binomial like a plus b, and we're going to square it. Now what that means is, when you see that exponent 2, it means that exponent is telling you how many times that a plus b is being used as a factor. So first, what I want you to do is write it twice. So when we write it twice, we get a plus b times a plus b. Now we're going to use FOIL. Remember, a times a, that's a squared. A times b, which will be ab. B times a is ba. And b times b is b squared. Now notice the two terms in the middle, AB and BA. They are identical, even though they're switched around. They are like terms. So when we add 1AB plus 1BA, we get 2AB. And again, typically we write the letters in alphabetical order. So we get A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So that's our final answer on that one. Okay. Alright, so on the next one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to write it twice. A minus b times a minus b. That is what the exponent 2 tells you to do. It tells you to write the factor twice. Factor means that we're multiplying. So again, we're going to use FOIL. We're going to multiply a times a. We get a squared. A times negative b will be negative ab. Whoops. And negative b times a is negative ba, and negative b times negative b is positive b squared. Again, we do have identical terms, negative 1ab and negative 1ba. So when we add like terms, we add the coefficients, negative 1 and negative 1 is negative 2ab. Again, we usually write it alphabetical. Remember the a squared, that we'll just bring down, and the positive b squared. This answer is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now, I did use FOIL, but I didn't show it to you mentally. Again, I want you to practice doing that outer term, outer products and inner products, combining them together in your head. I know that does take some practice, and we are going to be looking at some more time FOIL quizzes coming up soon. Okay, so this is the end of video number 1. Move on to video number 2, and I'll show you some more examples.